Beans are an important source of dietary protein, and they are one of the most consumed foods in Nigeria. It is estimated that about 22 million metric tons of beans are produced annually, part of it for export markets. However, since 2016, beans from Nigeria are banned from import to the European Union due to the excess of allowed limit of pesticides.
The European Union operates a very dynamic rapid alert system for safety of goods going into their country. Any goods going into the EU must meet all the standards. We got the rapid alert system on our dry beans. In response to that, the NEPC set up a 17 interagency committee to deal with this. We don't want any Nigerian product to be rejected on grounds of standards, on packaging, on labeling. Everything must be standardized.
The ban does not only hurt Nigerian farmers, but the rest of the supply chain as well. It also compromises the image of Nigeria as a reliable supplier of agricultural goods around the world.
Is the improvement of the competitiveness of the Nigerian economy, especially the diversification of the Nigerian economy away from oil. One of the important aspects of this diversification is the improvement of quality of the products and services that Nigeria has, and also the quality of the exports of the Nigerian products, because there are two different angles to quality. One is to defend the consumers against dangers for the consumers' health and safety of the products that the consumers buy, but also to improve the chances of the Nigerian products to access international markets where the quality requirements are very high. So that is exactly where the Nigeria Quality Infrastructure Project comes in.
Since 2013, the United Nations Industrial Development Organization, UNIDO, has been assisting the Nigerian government and Nigerian enterprises to comply with market requirements and international conformity standards. In the context of the National Quality Infrastructure Project, an innovative supply chain coordination method, the Conduits of Excellence has been developed that connects motivated farmers with key infrastructure elements for storage, processing, and export in the production of the dried beans.
Well, the Conduit of Excellence is a methodology how to get to the point that we can produce safe, high-quality food, which is not only apt for consumption in Nigeria, but which is also apt for exports.
How does this model exactly work? Trained farmers produce based on good agricultural practices and bring their products to a local storage operating according to quality and food safety standards. The goods will be tested by accredited laboratories. Only material that passes the tests will be allowed to enter the storage. In case of rejection, the review of the production process is carried out by the extension officers of the Ministry of Agriculture. From the storage, quality products will be handed over to the processors to process the raw materials based on strict quality management procedures. Once the product is ready, quality testing is carried out by the authorities and certificates are issued. If the quality is certified, the exporters take care of the transportation following the principle of traceability and good hygienic practices.
Using the best practice method. Actually, it came about because of the ban on our products, which is the beans. And we have received various training.
Since 2015, the total of 167 farmers, processors, and exporters, including 59 female, have attended various workshops and were trained on the Conduits of Excellence. In June 2017, stakeholders in Kaduna and Lagos states signed letters of commitment, pledging to deliver quality and safe agricultural produce. The letter of commitment is open for signing by any registered business in Nigeria to declare their intention to strive for continuous improvement of processes to achieve high-quality production.
The value that it brings for us is to ensure that Nigeria is able to provide, sell to the international community, focusing on EU, wholesome and good quality food. But it also has a value to Nigerians because we are able to produce and sell to ourselves wholesome food.
Although driven by the private sector, the inception of the Conduits of Excellence was a result of multi-stakeholder effort with the support of public and private institutions. There is a strong political commitment of the government of Nigeria aiming to improve the country's competitiveness and export capacities.
It's really achievable and it's becoming reality now. It started about 1.5 years ago, but it looks like how would it be able to effect? But today, it's working. The beans we process could be traced back to the farm, and then the pesticides being used can also be looked into and be used responsibly, as the farmers are being told what to and how to apply them responsibly.
The model of Conduits of Excellence is the basis for mainstreaming quality production of beans and any other goods in Nigeria. With the assistance of UNIDO, Nigeria is becoming more competitive by taking important steps towards inclusive and sustainable industrial development.
NQIP is a game changer to the nation's diversification program, because without it, we are not going to be able to compete internationally with our goods and services and products.